Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Diesel. In today's video we're gonna talk about the CD player and how you can pair it with your Android or iPhone device. Okay, so let's check it out how you can do that. First thing, your CD player can be turned on in two ways. Alright, right now it's on because the ignition is on, as you can see in the dash. Alright, and if you turn off the ignition, right, as you can see, everything turns off, but you still can turn on the CD player if you hold the source or power button in here, and you see it's on again. For this design of CD players, as far as I know, some of them come with Bluetooth, other ones don't. Other ones doesn't come with the CD player but do have Bluetooth, USB port, and in general they come with auxiliary port. Alright, so if you don't have nothing on these, you still can use your auxiliary port, but in today's video we're gonna check it out how to pair your Bluetooth device. Alright, first you can see this icon in here. It means Bluetooth is on. Alright, if you don't see it on, alright, if you press like this the button, nothing's gonna happen. Alright, unless there is a phone paired with the CD player already. So you're gonna hold it for a few seconds. Alright, and you see, as you can see, say add phone. Also you can disable the Bluetooth this way too. You see, if you press OK in here, it's gonna disable it and Bluetooth won't work anymore. Alright, this is a way to disable it. Now we are gonna enable it. In any case, you don't see that icon anymore. You see there's nothing in there anymore. Alright, so we hold it again, okay, and we press OK. You see now it's enabled, and we turn the knob to add a phone. Okay, and we're gonna look in our iPhone. Alright, let me see. We're gonna look in, sorry guys, Bluetooth. Alright, and now we turn on the Bluetooth. In any case it's off, and right now you see we have this radio in here. Give me a minute guys, let me put this in place. Alright, and we're gonna try to pair again. Okay, we hold again in here and we press OK to add a phone. Okay, and right now you see it says the pair code's okay. We say pair. We allow to read the contacts, and now it's pair. You see, we say connected. Okay, that's easy. Now other things the driver doesn't know, this CD player you can hear music, you can listen music with it, but many drivers just think they just can pick up calls with it. And right now we're gonna show you how to listen music with it. Alright, for example, let me see, we choose inserts in here, and you see Bluetooth audio source. Okay, and now we can play our music from here. Now for example, let's play this guy. Sorry guys, I cannot let the music play because YouTube has copyrights over these songs, but I can tell you that everything sounds properly in the radio right now. It seems like it's not because I'm voice over this part, but it's because, as I told you, I need to keep this video just for me guys, so thank you for understand. Now you see it's playing. Okay, Sorry guys, my hands are a little bit shaking today. All right, so now your phone is paired. Once you have a call, okay, you can answer with this button in here, or you can answer with the buttons in the steering wheel. Okay, and that's the way it's gonna work. Just remember, you had to pick the source in here for Bluetooth audio, right? And it works for YouTube and other videos. All right guys, so now let's stop this thing. Okay, once you're gonna, for example, leave the truck you're working on it, you just need to go in your settings, all right, and pair this device, all right, and say disconnect, right, all right, and forget this device, right? And there you are. Now this is for iPhones, all right. Now we're gonna do it for Android devices. Okay, all right guys, for Android devices, okay, first thing, if you want your delete all the Bluetooth devices on your CD player, okay, the first thing you're gonna do again is to hold this button in here, okay, and you're gonna say delete phone, and you see that's my iPhone, so we're gonna delete it, and you see phone deleted. All right, now we're gonna add this device in here. On Android, there are two ways to get through the settings. You pull down the notification bar and you hit the settings button in here, okay, usually it's located in here, and you access to the settings in here, or you pull up the drawer, right, the apps drawer, and you look for the settings in here. Okay, now they were in Bluetooth, right, we're gonna turn it on. Okay, now you see Bluetooth is on, and again we're gonna put this thing in pairing mode, and we add the phone, press OK, and you see now it says DEA 500, and now you see pairing code matches, and we say pair. All right, and you see say now it's pair, and still the same with the iPhone. You go to Bluetooth sources in here, right, and let's play some music from here, and let me see, let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Oh no, it's on. Alright guys, now we have internet connection in here, and as you can see, it's paired your Android device with the CD player in here, and we're gonna play some music right now. So you can see it works flawlessly with the CD player. This is the nice things about the nice thing about these CD players, because nowadays they come with Bluetooth, and you can listen music. You don't need anymore the headphone jack or wires or anything. Even if you have the MP3 USB, it's gonna work. Though nowadays many people, they just using Bluetooth for everything, especially you guys that you need to be hands-free all the time over the road. So I believe this is handy because it can take calls and you still can listen music, and the good thing is like you can change tracks with this one, I think, but it has to the ignition needs to be on. Let me see if this works. All right, and let's turn off the volume up. Yeah. You see? You still can use the steering wheel buttons to skip tracks. So that's really cool. So this is the way you pair your Android or iPhone device to this CD player. In general, all these trucks, Kenworth, Freightliner, International, and Volvos, they come with this kind of CD player. I have seen it before. It might be slightly different, maybe has different options. The only thing this one doesn't have is the Sirius radio, satellite radio. But if you have all of these and satellite radio, this is I believe that's the best CD player you can get in the market right now. So this is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.